Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss index. So you could clearly see it is having a sideways close, and stocks Reliance, it's a big fall, since you could already see yesterday call writing was heavily built up than the put writing. Also some USA based news is affecting Reliance. So 70 point is very huge. Also the Q3 results are ahead, and I don't believe that Q3 results have performed well for Reliance. Okay, now we'll move on. Every January all the big stocks, any one is showing worst thing. Okay, let's just uh, leave it. So we'll go with Nifty first. So it's surprising that despite Reliance falling so much, Nifty has not shown any bigger fall. So anyhow it has managed because of the other stocks adjustments, and you could clearly see here how for this week markets has performed. So let's just move on to 1 minute time frame to check the ADX reversal levels. Okay, so this is today's market view with respect to ADX spikes. Okay, so let's assume today it was sideways, so you could clearly see the fall. Here it was a reversal point, and then again here also it didn't continue, it acts as a reversal. This ADX is also acting as a reversal point. Here also it's a reversal point. Here also it couldn't sustain, or it didn't actually made any move. Okay, now we'll check for PNF. Okay, let's get started for 6th. The first ADX here, it's a reversal. The second ADX is also a reversal. The third ADX is also a reversal point. The fourth one has actually deceived perception. I'll go back to 1 hour time frame to see the BNF move for 2026. So for 2026, so actually from 30, BNF is good. It's going up because thanks to HDFC and ICICI Bank, they are having the news which might definitely reflect the market views. Okay, we'll start with pre-open, just covering the basics. 60 points gap down, that's too because of Reliance. Now we have BNF where it was a decent open. When you check for all, this gives us whether the trend is continuing or not. So here the trend is still continuing. Now we'll check for the stocks. When you check for Nifty, so you could clearly see what it is trying to indicate is, why isn't this changing? I just have no idea. It's okay. ICICI Access and Bail is trying to push up, while HDFC, Infi and Reliance are trying to drag it down, but though this is yesterday's data, it's not correct. When you check for BNF, yeah, yesterday's data is reflecting, so I'll skip this part. Now let's try the news. So 8th we have USA based, 8th, 9th and so on and so forth. We only have USA based news. When check for results, these are the upcoming results where I don't think so I can find a reason why Reliance was falling, but yeah, it should be somewhere related to the oil and gas, because Reliance is heavily invested with oil and gas, and then all the news that states that USA is being hunting oil. So yeah, definitely that can have the roots. 26th Jan is the holiday. Moving forward, we'll check the FII. So you could clearly see when you compare yesterday to today, there is bit change in it. When you check for today, they are bullish with the index, bullish with the call, and bullish with the put. So they are positive that markets can go up. But when you check for the overall, here sell is definitely more than buy. And when you check for resistance and support, resistance is more than support. Okay, you just have to wait and watch what happens for January. Now let's get straight to the OI. So this OI data I think should be accurate, where it is showing the current stats. Okay, so you could clearly see 150 has the 150 and 200 has the straddle and strangle points, and when you check for today, so you could clearly see all profit booking happening because today Nifty expiry. When you check for BNF, so this is the today data where put has been consistently added. That's why you could clearly see resistance was failing in BNF, and then every 500 counts equal build-up is there for BNF. Okay, now we have the futures stocks. So these are the top losers and gainers and OI gainers and losers for today. So you could check this in the Opstra website. Here we are trying to, okay, so I just have to log in, so just wait for a moment. Okay, so anyway I've logged in here. So this is the Nifty for 6th Jan. So you could see the overlap, and then you could see how markets are building up. So I'm interested in next expiry. So this is next expiry where you could see the green one is been building up. So the call is definitely more. So I think markets have the chance for do the short covering, and then prices can go up because we have the Q3 results coming up. So let's wait and watch. So this is for BNF. Clearly put is strong, so support is strong for BNF. Okay, so now here is the beautiful part. I will show the straddle for one thing, and then you go and choose. So let me just find the straddle. I think I have to check. So I'm a bit confused here with this website. So you have to be patient. I don't know which option I have to select to check the straddle chart. Okay, so should be here somewhere. So options backtesting, should that work? Strategy builder. Okay, yeah, there you go, I got it. Okay, so today I'm going to check. So I vaguely remember Nifty open. Let's once again check. So we'll check Nifty open for today. So BNF should be our homework. Nifty open is 26,200. We'll keep 200. It's a safe bet. 26,200. So let's add option position. Okay, and this should be 200. Okay, 26,200. Call position, sell, add. Okay, one is added. Now we'll put position, and then we'll do a add. Now this gives us the straddle. So this is how you check for others too. Okay, so here you could clearly see how much is the positive range, how much is the range, how much you can get the positive range is here. This is the break even. So you could see the maximum profit here, and maximum loss is definitely, you could see this red zone, and this is the green zone. So the maximum profit is 28,000. So that's it guys for this. You can check for Bank Nifty also.